Hello, I'm out walking as you can see. So I'm thinking about the things that I want to share with you from the book I showed you in that last little video, which I don't have with me, but I'll try to refer to it again in case you didn't see that. So just a little thing to start working on, daily life. So if you've ever been to my first class, any of my first classes in Tai Chi, normally I would have people stand there and see where they felt the weight in their feet, and that's where we started with our posture. So I'm not going to get into that right now, but I know it was very helpful for people to change the weight distribution in their feet and unlock their knees. But now we're going to go to the head instead. And I've been working on this for about a month. Took me about 2 weeks to really start feeling a difference, but just trying to align your head. Most of us have a head forward. Some are really back. Maybe I'd say 10 to 15% of you have a natural alignment, so you don't have to worry about this, but the rest of us need to work on it. So I'll get into more detail later, but I just want to put it in your mind to start just being aware of it, because this, being forward will feel natural at this point, and it'll feel strange to bring your head back a bit and feel that little support from the top, but slowly it will become more natural. So what's happened for me doing that is that once I was getting it, my shoulders started to naturally relax, and that's a big deal in the classes. I won't name any names because it's most of us, but some people in particular had trouble with the relaxing the shoulders. So I found once I started to get my head in alignment, I would notice my shoulders would relax the tension right in here. So while you're walking, try to just constantly remind yourself to check your head, or standing or sitting, but this is an easier one to work on while you're walking. Try to ask people or even get a picture of yourself, because you might think you're standing straight with your head aligned over your spine, but chances are that you're not, and when you start to change it, you'll feel strange. So I feel like some ways I feel like I'm fixing it is to pretend I'm walking under my head, like my head is being supported, like the whole head is being supported, and I'm just walking underneath it. So that's one way to experiment with it. The thread from the top, feel like it's holding you up without pulling you up, but just supporting you as you walk. Let me know if you come up with something. And again, I want to get into a lot more detail about this, but this is just to get you started. And it took me, I tried to notice how often did I remind myself, because still I easily go back into my old posture. But working on it in a daily basis while you're walking, and also during your Tai Chi practice for sure, will start to improve all that alignment. So that's the little thing to get started with. And sorry about the wiggly camera. I'll talk to you later. Bye.